Hey, what's up, guys? Today we have a new account. This one is for funded traders. Uh, Basically, if you want to just keep a track, a log of your funded account offline rather than on platform, this would be a pretty good way. So this template is pretty simple. As you can see, it starts with a chart, and this can be of your favorite symbol that you trade. We also have everything here from name, date, win loss, percentage. We also have a net amount, total trade, average winning trades, average losing, and we also have a risk management tool here called Next Risk Amount. And basically, this is just half of any earnings that you have. So this is half of any earnings that you have. The following day, you shouldn't lose half of your previous day earnings. And that is a really good way to keep track and also, not lose as much as you didn't intend to lose. So that's all we have here. And if you want to add more details to any of the trades, you just open one of the pages, you click on new trades, and here you can add extra photos, or you can add how you felt before or after the trade. So this is a pretty good way to keep things all together. And at the bottom we also have a picture of at the end of every day. We also will place a picture here that will show just your a screenshot of your combine. And that is all for me today, guys. You have a good one, and download the template, subscribe, like, and if you guys have any ideas for future templates, please leave a comment.